Hey there, are you looking for the right food containers? Check these out. This set of silicone food storage containers has allowed me to reduce waste and save space in my kitchen. I really love how well made they are. I appreciate that these are microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe, and I also love that they come with a snug fitting lid, ensuring refreshness and spill-free storage. I love this pink color. They have a variety of other colors as well, but I chose this one. You're also going to see that you can use a water-based marker to identify what you have in each container. These are super easy to store. You'll have your kitchen looking nice and organized. And I love that these are super easy to carry around to work or school as well. You can even put this in the freezer since they're freezer safe. These containers have made meal prepping so much easier. You're going to notice that once you wash them, they will not leave any greasy residue as well. They are well made, great quality, and very affordable. And that's my point of view.